We're going to do 21, and you do 23 the same way you do plus 21 part A, okay? Well, we're going to do this by typing this in the calculator and graphing it. So again, x cubed minus 3x squared. Let's go to calculator again. Let me pull it up. Y equals clear x cubed minus 3x squared. Let's see what that was. Minus 10x plus 24. We're going to hit graph. When you look at this intersects the x-axis at -3, at 2, and at 4. Everywhere it intersects the x-axis tells us a linear factor. You can also look at this and sketch the graph right now. Okay, so we can sketch the graph looking at this. Intersects at -3, at 2, and at 4. Intersects at -3, 2, and 4. When it intersects at 4, that 4 tells us that x minus 4 is a factor. When it intersects at 2, that tells us that x minus 2 is a factor. And when it intersects at -3, that tells us that x plus 3 is a factor. What that means is that this entire thing is x plus 3 times x minus 2 times x minus 4. And that's written as a product of linear factors. So let's draw a rough sketch of the graph of the function. We know it intersects at -3. We know it intersects at 2. We know it intersects at 4. We saw the sketch of the graph a few minutes ago on the calculator. And so we know it's going to come way up here, go down through 2, come down, and go back up through 4. That's a rough sketch. That's how we do 21. It's also how we do 21A is how we do 23 with the product of linear factors. Graph it, find out where it intersects the x-axis, x minus that number. So if it intersects at 2, it's x minus 2. If it intersects at 4, it's x minus 4. If it intersects at -3, it's x minus -3 or x plus 3. And that's how we do 21 and 23.